already, this will be the elevator here at Macy's. At the Mall of Millenia here in Orlando, Florida. This is probably a general. This took us about 15 minutes just to find this elevator. Because the times are so confusing. There one. Let's go to 3. Here we go. Going down? Mm-hmm. What floor? 1. Alrighty, perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Those are cool. Oh, telephones over there.
You know what? I need to stop on a second. Sorry.
That's okay. It's all good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Took me about 15 minutes to try to find this thing.
I know. Sorry about that. Sometimes our signs are not,
Yes.
visible. So
Yes.
this is the second. So wait
Understood.
1 second. You're going down, right?
Yes.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too.
The door closed button never works. There we go. Yeah, it took me about 15 minutes just to find this thing. It's right near the power sign on the 2nd floor. I love the little dot matrix indicator. The door closed by never works. Honestly, I wonder if they use this for flight to high security. That is literally your phone, ADA compliant. It's going 2. Going down. What floor?
First. Thank you.
You're welcome. £6,000 is a bit big for this elevator. Near 2. Let me get off here. Excuse me. There we go. Cool vending machines. There's directory. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.